The Houston Fire Department provides many different services to the community, including EMS, fire suppression, technical rescue, and more. The HFD has a variety of different vehicles which can be used for these services. Many of these HFD vehicles are larger than a standard vehicle in both dimension and weight. A typical fire engine weighs anywhere from 19 to 30 tons, where a standard vehicle weighs only 1.5 tons. The large size and weight of these vehicles make them far more difficult to maneuver and potentially easier to get into collisions. Additionally, the operation of these vehicles presents a safety risk for HFD personnel. For our project, by visualizing HFD motor vehicle incident data, analyzing the incident notes, analyzing highly correlated factors, and creating models to predict incident preventability, our team has worked to provide suggestions for the HFD regarding their motor vehicle incident reporting and reviewing procedures to aid them in reducing HFD motor vehicle collisions in the future. Come visit Team HFD at the D2K Showcase to learn more.